All right, this is the Frankenstein. Got this curbside. I just cleaned out the inside, the tubes, the gas burners were in good condition. I just took a little clothespin or a pin and cleaned out all the tubes. The flavor bars need replacing. I replaced the igniter. There's the box. Changed that out. Cleaned it all up. There was a small rusted hole in the bottom. I took a couple of tiles and put it on top. But before I did that, I took 2 cans of Rust-Oleum paint, Rust Stop. Painted it underneath, all around, inside out. It's been on, the grill's been on like 30 seconds. It's up to almost 300. Painted the sides. I even painted the tank gauge. Sprayed it all up. Sprayed the sides. The back is intact. Not worried about these white spots. Ain't nothing. Took the top off. Did the back. The tables, the utility tables are working fine. As you can see here, the sides are looking good. Wheels are in perfect condition. I painted them. I gave them like 3 coats, so they won't rust out ever. This Genesis Silver, it's a workhorse. It went on with the first click. Temperature is up to 350. I think if it gets up to 500, we should be good to go. The enamel on these things are incredible. This is a 13-year-old grill. There she blows. Genesis Silver Frankenstein. Bye.